Greetings from Svärdön Nature Reserve, and also one of the many spontaneous nudist beach spots in the beautiful nature. I am a bit early on this Sunday. It is 11 a.m. and it took me around 1 hour to get to this spot with public transport. When I come here with my bike, I usually stop on that rock over there, but now I realize that this is even better and there is a lot more sun currently. 10th of May, the day is today, and birthday, my mother's birthday it is. So happy birthday, mom. We were celebrating the birthday last year together in Rhodes, Greece, Rhodos. But now my mother is in Macedonia, and hopefully she's going to visit me during the summer here in Stockholm. As I usually don't go back to Macedonia during summer, as in Sweden the weather is the best. And you can see now in May how beautiful the water looks like. The Baltic Sea this is, even though it's a bit of a closed area, it's connected with a small canal to the main Baltic Sea. And why I've chosen this area is also because it is not blowing wind here, as the wind is on the other end. And there is another nudist beach on the other side that's overlooking Tyresö. Yes, beach number 33 is today, and tomorrow starts Eurovision week and I'm heading to Vienna. So let's see how it's going to be. And I have tickets for 3 shows, but none of them are the actual live shows. So I really hope that I can win some tickets, especially for the final, because they are not possible to buy either. So let's check that out. But for now, enjoy this beautiful nature and get ready with me to take a swim in the sea. 13 degrees Celsius in the air and 13 degrees Celsius in the sea. It's the same, which is amazing indeed. Beautiful. Oh, wonderful nature. I took first the metro to Slussen, and then from Slussen there is a replacement bus for the Saltsjöbanan that is under reconstruction. It's a light rail that's not currently in line, so there is a replacement bus that takes 35 minutes to get to Solsidan station, and after that it's a walk around 25 minutes maybe. There are 2 ways. You can either go through Elio entrance or from Solsidan, where there are many luxury houses and where rich people live. One of the areas like that in Stockholm. But enjoy this wonderful view of the beautiful nature here at Svärdsön. And maybe later I can go also on the other end where it's probably blowing wind right now. But here I'm protected by the forest. So let's then get going and find a way in. I think on the other end you can also jump as well, but now I will not be doing that. Yeah, so the water is getting warmer and warmer. Soon I will be swimming also for longer periods of time in the sea. It looks stunning. Beautiful. Beautiful nature all around. All right, we are then ready for a dip in the lake, I mean the sea, the Baltic Sea here at Svärdsön. So I'm trying to clear out a bit the algae on top of the top layer of the water. as the water is pretty still here, as there is no wind on this end. So, ready, set, and go! Oh my god, it's so amazing. I love it. I love it. Ah, the sea is the best. Ah. I will be returning to this spot sometime later in May, so hopefully by then it will be a lot warmer for a longer swim. But yeah, that is a wrap from this genius nature spot in Svärdön Nature Reserve. I'm all alone right now, and yeah, stay tuned for more beach adventures soon, maybe from Vienna or from Stockholm on my channel Beach Adventures with Greece.